All right, so I do wood burn these with this fold. You really do not need to. I just do it, y'all. Okay, so 10 by 10, curl side up, diamond shape. We're going to bring top to the bottom, and I just kind of flatten it. Nope, this is all horizontal wide stripe. And then we're going to bring left to right, lining up your tip to tip. And smash it. Y'all know I like to smash stuff. Okay, so that's what we have. And then we're going to bring bottom to the top, again, lining up those corners. Hey. Okay, just like that. Now here's where it gets a little different, is I go right inside. See that hole? I put my finger and I'm going to pull out and back to give it that good stretch and to elongate this and make it curve as much as possible. Okay, so right in, out, and back. And pinching that end as we go. That way we get that nice curve. And then I line this up and I pinch at the 2-inch mark. And we just band it. And break your band. Okay. And then if you need to adjust it. Now, a lot of people are using the deco mesh. Now, you can use the deco mesh. I should have, actually, I do. Okay. So see how the horizontal wide stripe tends to stay exactly as you do it, exactly as it's made. Sometimes the deco mesh, y'all, does not do that. I have an extra piece right here and I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is still 10 by 10. Now this is jute, the cream and gold jute, but I'm going to show you. Now this is not wood burn, so it's going to fray. So top to the bottom, if you're using deco mesh and you want it to stay like that, you're going to need some hot glue. Left to right. See, he's already fumbling with it. Okay, and then top to the bottom, or bottom to the top. Gonna pinch at the 2-inch. So see the difference, how this one will stay put and this one you're already showing that gap. All you need to do is bring those gaps together. Take you a little bit of hot glue, run it right in there, just a little bit, don't need a lot. Bring those back together and clip it, and then it will stay together. Silly question, what does float in your boat mean? Share the live, please. The horizontal wide stripe, red, white, and blue, you can get from Unique in the Creek. Okay, now we'll let that sit just a minute and then we'll come back to it. So let's make the white one. I will say another thing. These aren't, especially the horizontal white stripe, they are not 10 by 10, y'all. They're usually 10 by 10 and a quarter, 10 by 10 and a half. So to get a true square, you need to make sure that you measure each row, because the red was 10 and a quarter. The white is just over 10 and a quarter. And the blue is 10 and a half. Okay, see that? Let me line it up for you. Okay, right here's the 10. Blue is 10 and a half. So if you want a true square, you got to go 10 and a half by 10 and a half. 10 and a quarter by 10 and a quarter. Okay,